this got me into trouble. This is a 2-year-old Viking booster pack, and after 2+ years, I think it's time to throw it away. It's not able to actually jumpstart my Northstar V8, so it's not good enough. After jump starting it, it goes to like 50%. So it's either that the battery is bad, but it's not really that bad at all. It's 12 volts, which is low, but yeah, it couldn't jump start it. So I bought a new battery. I think with the help of this, I was able to the charger. I mean, with the help of this Viking charger, I was able to like charge it for a while. But after charging for like overnight, it shows like 12 volts, 12.1, which is very low. So that means that the battery is bad. So time to replace it. It's 4 years old. So my battery is toast. It's only doing like 12 volts, which is actually pretty bad. I got it charged overnight, and yeah, I got stranded in Costco last night because of this. So it's 12:17. So almost 4 years. 12, 17, 12, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, so it's 4 years old. So yeah, it's past its warranty. So time to replace it. So in order to replace it, this is the problem I have. So I put in this bracket. It's gonna be difficult for the negative side here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a battery in parallel to this, so that I will not lose my settings. So we'll see. I'll probably have some alligator clips on this one. Okay, so I got the strut brace or the strut bracket removed because it's more of a hassle. And then this one is exposed, and the bracket here, the loosen it, is a 13mm bolt. Yeah, this one holds the battery right here, and yep. Okay. So I'm gonna try loosen this one out so that it's kind of tough when this cable is so thick. Luckily it's not so cold. So I'm going to pull out this battery. Okay, I got it out. Yep. There. Now the battery is loose. So we're gonna put some wires or alligator clip on this one so that it will be always powered on. Okay, so forget about it. I'm not going to do any battery saving thing. I'm just gonna disconnect the battery, see what happens. Okay, so I could remove this battery now. Let me. Okay, now I was able to put it in. So the interstate battery is actually the same as the Everstart 78. This is just cheaper in Costco than in Walmart. Taking the covers off, I already have the positive put in place, and I put the negative in. Silent. Okay. And the battery is ready. Put the cup back in. Yeah, and this we have these two protected cups. And now we're ready to put this bracket back in there. Yeah, put this bracket back to hold the battery. And then we're gonna return the strut brace. And then probably we'll see if the radio or the settings there got changed. We've got the bracket tightened up. Yep. So this is very secure now. Now we'll see if things got changed in here. So okay, it starts. My message still there. Turn off that. Okay, time is still.
Type in the word toys and you can win right now. Mix93.com.
Okay, so time is still preserved. And my radio presets are still there. So okay. Now I got theft attempted. I don't know what's the. Probably it's because probably because the battery was disconnected. So I'm gonna try turn this off. Okay, so my settings for my memory seats are still okay. Yep. So everything is good. I don't need to do anything. I think it was a short replacement, so probably the settings are still there. Maybe if it takes like a day or two, probably, or probably an hour, probably your settings will be lost. But if it's a quick replacement, yeah, your settings should be. So this is the battery that I got from Interstate. I think it's like $97. Yeah, $97. Yeah, the date is 1/22, and then if you buy this same battery in Walmart, it's gonna cost you like $129. So Costco is way cheaper with this kind of battery.